Maharashtra Maha-Aghadi Chief Minister face fight erupts. Pawar versus Uddhav over Aghadi Chief Minister's face. In fact, Pawar Senior rejecting Uddhav Thackeray's Chief Minister's face plea. Uddhav says must be the Aghadi CM face before polls. Pawar says no need of Aghadi CM face now. Well, we're looking at the Maharashtra Mahavikas Aghadi partners at this point facing off over who should be made the CM face. And in the latest we hear Uddhav Thackeray and Sharad Pawar both mulling over who should be made the CM face before elections. Remember, Maharashtra goes into polls sometime at the end of this year. And it's likely that this issue will snowball closer to the elections. And from what we see here, that Sharad Pawar has categorically said, we hear that there is no need for a Chief Minister's face for the Mahavikas Aghadi partners. They can go into elections without having an actual CM face, while Uddhav Thackeray insists that there must be a CM face for the Aghadi alliance partners.
आणि याची किंमत सामान्य प्रवाशांना द्यावी लागते. याची नोंद महाराष्ट्राचे लोक घेतली.
महाविकास आघाडीने जो मोर्चा काढला होता, चप्पल मारून मोर्चा काढला होता, ती महाराष्ट्राची संस्कृती नाही अशा पद्धतीची टीका मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी उपमुख्यमंत्र्यांनी केली आहे.
असं आहे, महाराष्ट्राची ही संस्कृती आहे का की छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांची प्रतिमा ज्यांना अनुभव नाही, ज्यांचा बनवण्याचा दर्जा याबद्दलची खात्री नाही, अशा लोकांच्या हातात देऊन एक महाराष्ट्रातल्या जनतेचा अस्मितेला धक्का बसेल अशा प्रकारच्या गोष्टी करायच्या. आणि ह्या गोष्टी कुणाबद्दल करायच्या? छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांच्याबद्दल. उद्या त्याला छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज असो, राजर्षी शाहू महाराज असो, आंबेडकर असोत किंवा महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले असोत, यांच्याबद्दल कुठल्याही प्रकारची अनादराची गोष्ट कोणाकडनं घडली तर महाराष्ट्रातले सर्वसामान्य लोक हे कधी स्वीकारत नाहीत. आणि त्यामुळे आत्ता जे घडतंय तसंच घडतंय आणि त्याचे परिणाम होत.
अन्नधान्याच्या कमतरतेसंदर्भात काल आपण भाषणात उल्लेख केला. अन्नधान्याची कमतरता आहे, बाहेरच्या देशातून धान्य मागवावं लागतंय. खरं तर केंद्र सरकारची भूमिका जी आहे शेतकऱ्यांच्या संदर्भातली ती चुकत आहे, त्यामुळे सगळं घडतंय. इतकं काय विश्लेषण?
असं आहे की जो देश भारत जगातल्या 18 देशांना अन्नधान्य निर्यात करत होता.
Let me cut across to Mustafa Sheikh joining us for more on that. Mustafa, take it away. Give us more details on exactly who is going to be the face of the Mahavikas Aghadi. Sharad Pawar, Uddhav Thackeray both facing off, saying we don't need a CM face. Uddhav saying we need a CM face. So who wins here?
Well, that's true that Uddhav Thackeray has openly demanded that Mahavikas Aghadi should have a CM face. He was saying that he doesn't mind if the CM face is from the NCP, from the Congress or any other party. He was saying that there should be clarity on who will be the Chief Minister of Mahavikas Aghadi. But it seems that the NCP Sharad Pawar faction and the Congress don't want to reveal names at this point. They are saying that once the elections are done, we get a majority and the number of seats that whoever has most MLAs, after that we can come together and decide the CM face. So clearly there is inconsistency between the statements given by Uddhav Thackeray and Sharad Pawar. So in the recent time, coming time, it seems that Mahavikas Aghadi is headed for a face-off with regards to who will be the CM face for the MVA before the elections actually.
Much, Mustafa, for joining us. We're going to keep tracking Maharashtra elections coming close. All focus on it.